Hello again, teachers. This is John over in Educational Technology, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about managing your Google Classroom, specifically with the class code that you see up here in the banner. So this is a security measure that is put in place for you to easily get students in, but you should also work on turning that off once you know that all of your students in, just to protect your Google Classroom and anybody else who might be able to get a hold of that code. So to do so, basically in your Google Classroom, you're just going to click on this gear on the top right for your settings. And then right under that first section is General, and it says Invite Codes. Now, you can turn this on or you can turn it off right here. That's the very first option you guys have. The reset is valuable if you're in a scenario where you know the code has gotten out from just your students, so you're getting other students joining that you don't want in there, but you still need to keep it open. So best case scenario, get all your students in your classroom. Once you know they're in, simply click on turn off. Once you do that, this will just take a second to update itself. If I close my settings, you'll now notice that the class code is turned off. So if somebody were to try that class code or that specific class link, they simply won't be able to get into your class. And then if you came back to the same scenario where you need somebody into your class, simply turn it on, use either that code on the home screen or the class code here that they can add, or just send them this specific invite link. And a good way to keep that away from other students is to reset it and then pass out that link as needed. And again, once you're done, go back there, turn it off. So again, settings, general, manage invite codes, and we're going to turn that off. That's probably going to be your safest bet to keep your Google Classroom secure and relegated to just your own students. So anyhow, I hope that helps everybody out. Remember, you can't be an analog teacher in a digital world. We'll see you next time.